Let's be honest, the Lamborghini Revuelto is already a lot. It's loud, aggressive, and makes absolutely no apologies for what it is. The moment you see one in the metal, it hits you immediately. This is a car designed to dominate attention, full stop. The naturally aspirated V12 screams at full throttle like nothing else on the road today. The design is sharp enough to cut glass, and the hybrid powertrain underneath makes it faster than almost anything you could line it up against. It is, by any reasonable measure, one of the most extreme production cars ever built. And yet somehow, MANSORY looked at one and thought, we can push this further. The result is the Carbonado X. Whether you love it, find it completely unhinged, or land somewhere in between, one thing is impossible to argue. You have never seen anything quite like it, and you almost certainly never will again. This isn't a tuning project in the traditional sense, and that distinction matters. MANSORY didn't bolt on a body kit, swap the interior trim, and hand back the keys. What happened here is far more involved. Nearly the entire exterior has been stripped back and rebuilt from scratch using matte forged carbon fiber. The only components that survived from the original Revuelto are the greenhouse structure and the lighting elements. Everything else, every panel, every surface, every contour has been removed, re-engineered, and reshaped into something entirely new. Compared to earlier MANSORY programs on Lamborghini models, including their own initiate package for the Revuelto, the Carbonado X exists in a completely different league. It's closer to a bespoke one-off concept car wearing a Lamborghini powertrain than anything you'd describe as a modified production vehicle. This was never about enhancement, it was always about transformation. Up front, the hood is deeply vented and aggressively sculpted, the kind of design that communicates airflow management before you've even had a chance to think about it consciously. The splitter sits low and extends well beyond what you'd find on the standard car, with geometry that suggests serious aerodynamic intent rather than decoration. First impressions are immediate and unambiguous. This is a machine built around performance, and it wants you to know that the moment you lay eyes on it. Move along the sides and things get even striking. Lamborghini's signature Z-shaped surfacing, one of the most distinctive design elements on the original Revuelto, has been replaced entirely by enormous cooling intakes that dramatically widen the car's stance. These aren't subtle gill-style vents. They're large, deep, and visually commanding, paired with oversized side skirts and sculpted rear fenders with integrated vents that create a continuous visual flow running from the front splitter all the way to the rear diffuser. The whole side profile reads like something pulled from a Le Mans prototype design brief, purposeful, aggressive, and impossible to look away from. The rear end is where things truly go off the deep end in the best possible way. A triple exhaust configuration forms a striking geometric arrangement that feels both functional and genuinely artistic. Positioned above it is a towering rear wing that makes the already dramatic Revuelto wing look almost conservative by comparison. Below, a massive diffuser dominates the lower body, leaving absolutely no doubt about the car's aerodynamic priorities. A functional roof scoop sits above the engine bay, feeding air directly to the V12, and a completely redesigned engine cover adds another layer of visual complexity. Taken together, the rear of the Carbonado X looks like something from a Tokyo Motor Show concept reveal, and that clearly is entirely intentional. MANSORY has confirmed that these components aren't purely decorative either. The revised aerodynamic architecture is engineered to genuinely improve cooling efficiency and generate significantly increased downforce over the rear axle. Given the power output involved, that additional downforce isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The power numbers deserve their own moment. The standard Revuelto's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 already produces 814 horsepower in a plug-in hybrid configuration for a total system output of 1,001 horsepower. MANSORY has gone further. The V12 has been reworked to produce 917 horsepower and 765 newton-meters of torque, gains of 103 horsepower and 40 newton-meters over stock. Factor in the hybrid system, and total output reaches 1,104 horsepower. The The real-world results back it up: 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.3 seconds, and a top speed of 355 kilometers per hour, both figures bettering the standard car. The Carbonado X isn't just a visual statement, it's a genuinely faster, more capable machine than the already exceptional vehicle it started life as. The wheels are FV.1 carbon units, 21 inches at the front and 22 at the rear, wide and planted in a way that perfectly reinforces the car's aggressive stance. Step inside and the same bespoke philosophy carries straight through to the cabin. Alcantara and premium leather cover virtually every surface, finished with the kind of fit and quality that makes the craftsmanship obvious from the moment you sit down. Turquoise accent detailing runs throughout, stitching, trim highlights, and subtle color cues that tie the interior together without overwhelming the space. Custom ambient lighting has been integrated into the door cards, adding depth and atmosphere to the environment in a way that feels considered rather than gratuitous. Mansory's branding is present throughout, but handled with enough restraint to avoid tipping the interior into merchandise territory. The overall feel is theatrical but functional, a cockpit that communicates performance and exclusivity simultaneously while keeping the ergonomic logic that makes the Revuelto genuinely rewarding to drive. The material choice across the exterior also deserves its own conversation because it goes deeper than aesthetics. Forged carbon fiber is a fundamentally different material from the conventional woven carbon you see on most performance cars. Traditional carbon weave is strong and lightweight, but it has real limitations when it comes to complex, deeply contoured shapes. Forged carbon doesn't carry those same constraints. It allows for far more complex geometry, deeper sculpting, and more organic surface transitions. The result is bodywork that looks grown rather than added, surfaces that flow into each other with a coherence that makes the whole exterior feel intentional despite its extreme complexity. It retains all the structural and weight advantages of conventional carbon while enabling forms that simply wouldn't be possible otherwise. It's the right material for this kind of project, and using it exclusively across the exterior shows a genuine understanding of what the build actually required. The Carbonado X exists at the intersection of several things that increasingly define ultra-high-end car culture. Raw performance still matters, but at this level it's become a baseline expectation rather than a differentiator. What collectors in this space are genuinely chasing today is something harder to manufacture and impossible to replicate: true individuality. Not a limited edition with a run of 63 units, not a factory special with a unique paint code, a car that exists exactly once, where even owners of the same base model can't come close to what you have, because what you have is singular by design. That's the real proposition of the Carbonado X. The car was built for Mansory's Dubai showroom as a demonstration of full design and engineering capability, a physical portfolio piece that shows what the company delivers when the brief is simply everything. Similar commissions remain available for Revuelto owners willing to pursue a build at this level. Pricing extends comfortably into seven-figure territory, though at this point the conversation has already moved well past conventional value into territory where uniqueness, craftsmanship, and cultural cachet are the only currencies that really matter. The Carbonado X doesn't attempt to balance restraint with aggression or hedge its bets in any direction. It commits completely and without hesitation to its own vision, an uncompromising statement of excess, genuine craft, and creative ambition that treats the Revuelto not as a finished product to be preserved, but as a foundation to be completely reimagined. And the reimagination, whatever you think of the aesthetic, is total, fully, unapologetically, and entirely on its own terms.